All right. We had a view of this in our last video when I was explaining the various tags and how it looks like. So in this video, we are going to practically demonstrate some of these tags, which you've looked some of these tags that just a few of them, so you can have a practical overview of how it works. So we are going to be coding together. So um, if you're on your PC, you can just come on your laptop. So come up with your VS Code. So this is what we did last, right? A boilerplate, this basic stuff. And we've talked about the head, yeah. So one thing I'll first do, so you can actually code and see what you are doing live, right? You can code and see what you are doing live. So there are two ways to go about it. You can either go to your browser here where you open this HTML tag, right? And if you double click on this, it will open your page. It's currently empty because there's nothing inside the body tag. Yeah, the body tag is empty. And like I said, everything inside the body tag, that's what shows on your screen. So there's nothing on the body tag, that's why it's empty. But if you notice here, you see that you see this title we put here, right? This is it. Side also training. It's part of the head. So head is at the top, right? So that's why it's here. I can try to add an icon, like if you see this Google Drive, right? So this is the title of this one on that page, and they added a logo or icon, favor icon here. The same thing with all of this. So you can also add that, and where we add it, your header, your head tag inside here. So the body now, that's where you can put all those tags we've talked about, the hashtag and what have you. So let's do some practical stuff here now. Okay, so we talked about hashtag, so I'm going to start with H1. So I've shown you one way to display this on your browser. How? Just come to the file in your computer and double click on it. Then another way, instead of going through that route, you can decide to go live straight from your VS Code. And to do that, there are extensions. If you see all these sites, there's one tab called extension here. So if you click on it, you can type live server, and this is the extension, right? So I already installed it, so you can install it here. When you install it, you can have access to it, right? So let me close this now. Now if you come here, you see that this is the extension. They have other extensions here, but if I click on this, it takes me live. It takes this page live and opens it here. Let me close this. Or you can decide to right click on this and you see open with live server. It opens that page on your live server. So these are just some side stuff. So as you can see, I've opened my HTML tag. So this the opening tag. This is the closing tag. So the content will be in between. So I'm going to put content. So I'll do the same thing I did there. So I'll say side also training. So this course will be practical. We'll explain and we'll practicalize it. So when I have done that, I save. Then I can, okay, I'm already live, right? So it will not refresh. So I need to go live again. So go live, right? So as you can see, it has updated. So this side also training. This is an H1 tag. You can see H1 tag is big. If I can do another H3 tag, the smaller the tag, the letter, the numbers, the smaller the text. So let's say HTML, CSS, JavaScript, track. If I save this and let me try refreshing this page. Okay, it's already live, so it's a live stuff. So you can see it has updated here. Let me close this one. Right, so you can see the difference between the h1 tag and the h3 tag. So if I use h6, it gets lower. So let's explore that tags. Let me use a p tag. So inside there, let me just put random text. Lorem will give you some random text that are long, just to fill in the space. So let me take let me reduce this one. I can't reduce it. Oh no. Okay, so let me just take it to a different line, so you can see. This thing is longer. Okay, that's all. So this is your p tag, right? So p tag are smaller. They are for paragraphs, right? H1 tag is basically for headers. H3 tags can be sub headers, right? And p tag, they are for content, right? So if I save this, it should be live. Right, you can see it, this paragraph text. So this is just, yeah, I think I should explore more. I wanted this video to be short, so let me explore the a tag. Right, so this a tag is for links, right? It's for links, so you can go. I think I explained that on that stuff. So go to sites. Let me just view sites. So what this does is it links you to a site. So I want to add a site name. Since we are talking about site also, let's make it, I don't what site also websites now. Let me check Google. Yeah, this is it. But this 5.0. So is there 6.0? Okay, I can't see. Sorry. Let me just so let me just pick a random site. Oh, this is not our site. This is another site also. So should I use a LinkedIn? I don't know why that one is not opening. Let me try this. Yeah, this works. So I'm going to add this link to our page now. So this is Ahref, which inside here you add the link to the site you want to go to. So this is what will be displayed on your screen. Whatever you want to be there, that will be inside the a tag. Inside this, practically this is the content. This is the closing tag, while this is the opening tag. Yeah, this is an attribute. I've not gotten there yet, but it's fine. We'll still get there. So let me come back to this now. As you can see, this is a view site. So if I click on it, takes me to this page, right? So that's it. So let me go back to my site. So this is the site we've built in just split seconds, split minutes. All right. I think that's that for this. I don't want to make this video too long. So